Hey guys, this is Tay and Kevin and welcome back to the vlog Takes Two to Travel. Since it's summer, we are going to Tagaytay today for a quick staycation at the La Bella Boutique Hotel and Residences. And we are also going to try the food at one of the hidden Japanese garden restaurants which is near Tagaytay. But before anything else, if you like watching our vlogs, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you will be updated to our travel videos. So our first stop, before checking in at La Bella, we headed at Lola Nena's to buy their best sellers, their new coffee which is the pastillas latte, and their famous cheese donuts which is also our favorite. Super sarap niya, so you have to try it. Now we are off to La Bella. From Tagaytay na Cebu Highway, you will see the La Bella signage which will direct you to turn right. La Bella is located in Barangay Niogan, Tagaytay, Cavite. Then turn left. Say hi to Shilo! At the entrance, you will be given a gate pass by the guard for those staying at the La Bella residences. Upon entering, you will be able to see the whole vicinity of La Bella and how big the area is, which is a great place to stroll, walk your dogs, and do nature walks. La Bella is a Santorini-inspired hotel where you can relax, interact with nature, and enjoy the serene ambience for a perfect weekend getaway. This is the parking area where you will be given a specific parking slot. The parking fee is 150 pesos per night. Multiple entry is allowed. For check-in, you have to proceed first at the registration area. You will be required to leave your ID here and list all the guest names. You will also be greeted by the Airbnb caretaker who will hand the room keys and show you your room. We booked the room through Airbnb for a budget-friendly price. The room is very spacious. It has Wi-Fi, smart TV with Netflix, basic utensils, toiletries, and most importantly, they allow pets inside the room. Check-in is at 2 p.m. and the check-out is at 12 noon the next day.
Now we will show you a quick preview of the amenities at the La Bella. For today's video, La Bella has their own restaurants and cafe, so you don't have to leave the area for you to eat. The restaurants are just across the hotel and residences building. We were supposed to eat here. Unfortunately, it was closed due to a private event. Bodhi is a library cafe. You can buy drinks, snacks, and you can also buy books from the store. The first floor is the bookstore. Ginagawa mo. Now let's go upstairs. The second floor is the Bodhi Library. This is the outdoor activity area for you and your pets. And this is the swimming pool. For the Airbnb guests, there is a 100 pesos fee for pool use. Sadly, we were not able to swim because there were a lot of people. We wanted to try the jacuzzi at the hotel instead, but we were advised that it is closed for the meantime. There is also a chapel inside La Bella, where it can be used for meditation and private events. For dinner, we went to Cabana's Dine and Bar as this is our favorite restaurant in Tagaytay. It is a Filipino restaurant that is budget-friendly and their food is really good. Our favorite dishes here are tawilis, sizzling tofu, and eggplant. Inuman session with friends.
The following day, we just had a light breakfast at the Bodhi Cafe. We had waffles, coffee, and their hot chocolate. This is the La Bella Boutique Hotel lobby. For checkout, you have to return the gate pass at the hotel lobby and pay the 150 pesos parking fee. We enjoyed our stay in La Bella and will surely visit again. Now we are off to Surugin Ramen House, which is located in Alfonso, Cavite. It is a 20 to 30 minute drive from La Bella, Tagaytay. Surugin Ramen House gives you a taste of Japan. It is a Japanese Zen garden restaurant. The ambience is very peaceful and calming. You will really enjoy the authentic flavor of their dishes. This is what we ordered. We hope you enjoyed our Tagaytay trip. If you enjoy watching our vlogs, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you on our next travel vlog.
Thanks for watching!